So this seems to be some type of project. This is a Boer goat, guys. I just made a couple of them. These are a special breed of goats. So I find this very fascinating because it seems to be a very cheap way of keeping these goats. Because you can see that there's no cage here. They're just grazing freely. Just free food and everything. This seems to be a very clever way of doing this. So start small, do what you can, guys. Boer goat farming in the villages. Look at this one. Wow. They just let them graze and probably take them home a bit later. No expense. You're not paying for no food. Just build your structures and start. So they mix them with the local goats, obviously, to get that special breed. But this one is very fascinating, guys. This is the cheapest way of doing farming. So basically what I realized in the village is that as long as you have land, you can literally do what you want. You can do a lot of things. All that is special is land. There's free food here. There's water, like down there. There's like a dam or a river where they fetch water. And also that's where they take their animals for water. So once you get your structures up, then you can start doing your projects like this. As you can see, it's not really in the rural areas. There's some big houses just opposite. But the other side is still rural and it's still being developed. So guys, you really have no excuses. Say, no, I don't know what to feed the goats. There's free food for the goats. And you can see how healthy they are. They are very healthy, means that they're getting enough food. So what this guy did is very clever. He got like a few Boer goats so that they can mix up with these ones and get that special breed. You can see how big these things are. So that they can mate and make, look at nature, guys. This is nature. This is just amazing. So stop giving yourself pressure. Just do what you can. Start with what you have. So this is a way of cutting costs with this project. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll go back more with those videos. You can see they are full. They have eaten enough. Start small, dream big.